For the audience sections, there are two ways you can actually achieve this. Number one is when you already have an audience, probably you've created an ad before, maybe on any other platforms, and then you have the leads set up somewhere or saved somewhere. Now, for you to be able to access those leads and import them into your Google so that they will be remarketed to, do you get what I just said? You already created an ad in the past targeting some set of people, probably maybe lead generation or something, and then you have the leads already set up somewhere or already saved somewhere. Then you want to remarket to those people using Google Ads. You want them to see your product again, probably maybe the same product they've seen in the past, or maybe you just want to show to them new products that you have in stock. Now, how do you get connected to those kind of leads? All you just need to do, you come this part to this section that says select audience section to add your, we can create new segments in audience. So all you just need to do, come here, right click and open in a new tab. I've opened that already. I have this, so I can actually set up Google Ads tag. It says collect data for your remarketing list and conversion tracking by adding the Google Ad tags to your website. You can actually add tags that pixels to your website. It's called pixel on Facebook, tags on Google. So Google Ad Analytics. So you can link your Google Analytics to you can link your Google Analytics. You have the GA4, you have the app analysis, you have the Google Play, you have the YouTube. So you remarket to people who have interacted with your channel in the past. It's a create data segment based on current app users. This for apps. These use ads data up to complex audience based on your Google Ads campaign and other priority data. It is the third party that helps you import data from CRMs and so on and so forth. So probably maybe because I have a YouTube channel and I have lots of people that have actually interacted with my businesses on YouTube in the past, and I want to remarket to them, all I just need to do, I would link my YouTube channel to my ads, to this Google Ads that I'm creating now, so that Google is going to show back to them my adverts that I'm creating. It's just a very nice setup. It's just a very cool setup on Google. But I'm not going to touching any of those parts. I'm going to be creating a video in the future that is going to explain every one of these sources one after the other in details. So for today, I'm just going to go back to this. So we're going to be leveraging on what we have. Let's assume we don't have saved audience. We don't have any audience. We don't have any leads in the past. What am I going to do? How am I going to get that? All I just need to do is to let's assume I'm selling perfumes now, for example. What I'm going to do, I'm going to think of something that people can actually search for. Most times when I want to do that, I have a secret I work with. I go back to Google and I search for perfumes. I search for perfumes. When I search for perfumes, I have things like online perfumes. I have perfumes, low price perfumes. I have perfumes and colognes. Don't mind me. I have women perfumes. I have men colognes, something like that. I'm sorry for that. I have bestseller perfume. I have gift sets of perfumes. I have fragrance and so on and so forth. I have a lot of things. These are different keywords that I can actually search for. Do you get it? They are just few ideas I'm trying to drop in here. So I'm going to come here. I'm going to say fragrance, things that people are actually searching for. Yeah, fragrance. I think somebody can simply go to the internet, go to your browser and search for fragrance. So I'm going to you see that fragrance. I'm going to add that to my list. I'm going to add trips to colognes. I'm going to have body lotions and moisturizers. I'm going to have, if I'm selling body moisturizers too, I'm going to add that. So I'm going to add skincare. So what else? I don't say hair products. Okay, luxury shoppers. I'm going to add luxury shoppers, yeah, because I believe they are the ones that can actually get my stuff. So I'm going to put body spray. Let's do body spray. P-R-A-Y. Am I correct? R-A-Y. I'm going to say body spray. Let's get some results that we're going to be adding to it. So yeah, thanks Google for that. So I have face and lotions. I'm going to add face and lotions. I have hand sanitizers. So it's going to give me some things. I have shoppers. I'm going to add shoppers. All right, these are their interests, and I'm I'm gonna say this is what they are actively searching for here. They are actively searching for this. So people that buy body spray are actually searching for this as well. So I'm gonna put up this as well. So when I click on browse, who are they? Who are they? Who are they? Are they parents? Are they married? Let's check for them based on their parental status. Parents, things, you know, things the parents need to buy their children body sprays. You understand? 3 to 4 years. This they don't have anything to do with body sprays. So these can as well do that. So I'm going to come back to this. What's their interest and their habits? Banking and finance. Let's check that. Beauty and wellness. Yeah, everything I have to do is all about beauty and wellness. Yeah. So I'm going to come down so I don't waste my so under shoppers we have luxury shoppers, we have shopping enthusiasts, we have value shoppers. Yeah, that's cool enough. I don't have business technology. I'll come down to vehicle travel. Yeah, business travelers, they need these stuffs to travel with. Yeah, so I'm going to come back to this. What are they actively researching or planning to do? So we looked at body care, beauty, hair products. Yeah, they could search for hair products. Spas. Yeah, they could look for spa services. Yeah, that's a very good idea. So I'm going to come down, baby products. So I'm going to come down to this. How are they interacting with, how have they interacted with your business? So you're combined. So I have new so I'm going to be working with what I already have here. Yeah, I'm going to be working with all this. So people that have actually in the past made searches that are related to all this are going to see my product. That's just the fact. So targeting settings for this campaign. Targeting. It's a narrow the reach of your campaign to the selected segments with the option to adjust the bids. Observations, which is recommended. Don't narrow the the reach rather of your campaign with the option to adjust the bids on selected segments. So when I come to more results, so we're going to be looking at the ad rotation section. So I choose this as recommended. Excuse me. So ads rotation, I'll come down to ads rotation. We said optimize, prefer best performing ads. Yeah, do not optimize, rotate ads indefinitely. So I'm going to leave this. I'm going to leave this first option. So I'm going to take it out of this. So please just do whatsoever I'm showing to you. So I'm going to click on next, more settings. So it's very important that you choose a start date and an end date for every ads you're trying to create. So today's 8/15, so I'm just going to come down. Maybe I want my ads to start up on the 16th, which happens to be tomorrow. So I want an end date. I don't want the ads to run when I'm not when I don't really know what's up. I have other things that I'm doing, so I'm not focusing on my ads, and a lot of things happens. It's actually very advisable to always add an end date to your ads. I always add an end date to your ad. Yeah, it's very advisable. All right. So how do I want my ads to run? Do I want to run all day from 16th to 22nd of October? No, I don't want that way. Right, like we're going to be choosing the number of days we want, or the days that we want these ads to run. So I'm going to come first. I want my ads to run on today's Saturday. I want my ads to run weekend, start tomorrow. Which happens to be Sunday, and I want to start. A lot of people will be in church, so I want my ads to start by 1 p.m. I want the ads to stop by 10 p.m. Which happens to be I want the ads to stop at 10 p.m. start by 1 p.m. in the afternoon. That's and I want it to stop by 10 p.m. So I'm going to add other days as well. So I want the ads to run from Mondays to Fridays. So I'm going to make it start by I want the ads to start by 9 a.m. and I want the ads to end by 11 p.m. every day. Yeah, so I'm cool with that. I'm going to come down to more settings, campaign URL options. Now said that, so I'm going to put up the tracking. If you actually want to track your